What's going on, everyone? So today is Easter Sunday. I have to work in a couple hours. The cool side of working at a clothing store is I get to wear kind of whatever I want. So I got this shirt right here. It's just blank. Went and bought it at Walmart a little while ago. Let's peel this sticker off right now. But yeah, so I thought I'd be a little bit festive and make a little Speedracinjason shirt that is on here. I designed up a design last night on my computer upstairs, sent it to the computer down here. So let's flip this camera around and get to work.
So far away, why my mind goes so far away? Why my mind goes so far away? Let my mind go so far away. Far away. I see my mind drifting towards the clouds. Will I ever get it back? Guess I'll find out. I just wanna make some music that'll make you proud. Dedicated to my people who be feeling down. Pick your head up, see the sunshine. Keep it moving through all the tough times. It'll get better maybe sometime. I've been thinking through all the lunchtime shit. Think my break about to be over. Think I need to stay more sober. Someone lend me that shoulder. Like, hold your head high, hold it proud. 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 Hold it proud, I'm forever loud. Read crowds, learn to browse. My name, see it's raising brows. Mark vinyls when I hit the town. King me, check me, get my crown. This future is going down. Play it back and you hear the sound. Play it back and you hear the sound. Let my mind go so far away. Let my mind go so far away. Let my mind go so far away. So far away, yeah. So far away, it ain't coming back. Oh, the beauty of escape when I make these tracks. They telling lies and hoping I ain't noticed that. But this the gift of thought when you let your mind relax. Like, this the mind, body, soul. This so fine, yeah, I know. To get my mind out control. And I ain't sipping, I'm just all like, I'm just whole, and I'm feeling good today. I be busy getting paid and the music getting made. What you really gotta say, you can't say nothing. I've been busy up to something while you stay sucking. Stay ducking for the season. You sucking off for no reason. The trusting I ain't been seeing. So I'm busy human being like, wow, you can't really take away from me. All I ask is that you pray for me. Feeling good like I never had this. Taking trips around the whole atlas. Feeling like I gotta ask cashes. But fuck it though, I'm trying to reach the masses. Why my mind goes so far away? Why my mind goes so far away? Why my mind goes so far away? So far away,
Boy 50.
Okay, so the shirt's done. I'm trying to keep it out of frame right now, so I'm sorry if I keep cutting off my head. But before I show it to you guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my little Easter Day special. Come in and visit me at Tilly's. I'll be there all day. Other than that, while I'm there, watch my YouTube videos. Have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Happy Easter, everyone. My head. But before I show it to you guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my little Easter Day special. Come in and visit me. Happy Easter. Here's the shirt, by the way. So it was a pretty good Easter. I wanted to have this video uploaded to you guys before I went to work, but unfortunately I did not have time to, so I just finished it up. Been snacking on my Easter Day candy. Everybody loved the shirt. Everybody loved the bunny ears. It was funny. I was waving at little kids in traffic and stuff. I said some cheesy jokes. I'd walk up to people and I'd say, "Oh, did I visit your house this morning?" Which was super creepy, but it happens. But I think the majority of the people thought it was funny. I was waving at random people. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe if you are not already. Other than that, I gotta get back to editing.